ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Block Mission Coordinator Ssa-Semam Thatlaskan West Gentle Hills Kalara Khe Yakasni Kerpang Jong Kathok Kapule Dakabapulong Yak Enrollment Drive Program Halor Kapang Promoting Literacy for a World in Transition, Building the Foundation for Sustainable and Peaceful Societies. Hakachi alang balapanya dauba Precious Lee Rinklem. Lasa kilang daka District School Education Officer jaka West Gentle Hills kakong APCM kabala longru kakong san. U Principal jaka Thomas Jones Synod College u Dr. D.G. Lingdo belalong sumput kong san kiwa shnong bat kiwe. Hakni ngila pun kuburamru yaki election volunteer bat yaki night school. Kentopru yaka RC Evening Upper Primary Special Training Center badan hapok Sarjuai kibalong shibenta kalat ban penduna yaka jingdon ki Khynnah ki bapep Skul Shiteng por hapok West Gentle Hills District.
Ini orang gimana dia pulang nak orang dia jaga Skul kan.
Dear friends, give a big round of applause by Sunday.
World Literacy Day under the theme of Promotion Literacy for a World in Transition, Building the Foundation for Sustainable Peaceful Societies. Let us think also that there are in different corners of the world, in different parts of the world, there are underprivileged who does not even have access to education. So let us feel that we are lucky enough to have some of these facilities. Literacy, as we all know, is about an overall development. As we have witnessed the world in transition. So there might be lots of cultural changes, there might be lots of technological advancement, there might be lots of social crises and conflicts. And therefore, it is important for us to understand that education plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Education is not only a personal achievement, which means it is not only for the self, but it also goes around to the mass. And we believe that an educated country is a country which flourishes, which grows in development, and overall which lives in peace and harmony.
I would also like to say here that we are thankful to the government that the government is taking various steps, various initiatives to uproot illiteracy and to bring literacy to all the people of the country. And here in our state also, the government is trying its level best to bring literacy to all the districts, to all the villages of the state. And we thank the government of Meghalaya and the government of India that they have introduced a program which is known as the New India Literacy Program. And this program has been carried out in our state, but only in 4 districts. And one of the districts here in Jaintia Hills is in East Jaintia Hills. This program has started in East Jaintia Hills district, the New India Literacy Program.
These children will be mainstreamed into our schools and we must do us. And we'll have a group.